Hi everyone, I'm Janalene Hiller. Today I'm going to explain what happens during the escrow process when selling your home. Understanding this phase is crucial for a smooth transaction, so let's get started. Here is a breakdown of the key steps and what you can expect during the escrow process. Step 1. Opening escrow. Once you and the buyer have signed the purchase agreement, escrow is officially opened. An escrow officer or agent will be assigned to manage the process. The escrow officer acts as a neutral third party, ensuring all the transactions of the sale are met before closing. Step 2. Deposit the earnest money. The buyer will deposit the earnest money into the escrow account. This money shows their serious intent to purchase your property. The amount is typically a small percentage of the purchase price and will be applied to the buyer's down payment or closing costs. Step 3. Inspection and appraisal. During escrow, the buyer will conduct a home inspection and the lender will arrange for an appraisal. The inspection ensures the property is in good condition, while the appraisal verifies the home's market value. Step 4. Negotiating repairs. Based on the inspection report, the buyer may request repairs or credits. Be prepared to negotiate and come to an agreement. It is essential to complete any agreed-upon repairs promptly and provide documentation of the work done. Step 5. Title search and insurance. The title company will conduct a thorough search to ensure there are no liens or legal issues with the property. Title insurance will be issued to protect the buyer and lender against any title defects. Step 6. Reviewing closing documents. A few days before closing, you'll receive a settlement statement outlining all the financial details of the transaction. Review this document carefully and ask your realtor or attorney any questions you may have. Step 7. Signing closing documents. On closing day, you'll meet at the title company or attorney's office to sign the final documents and transfer ownership to the buyer. Once everything is signed and the funds are transferred, the escrow officer will release the funds to you and hand over the keys to the buyer. The escrow process can seem complex, but with the right preparation and understanding, it can go smoothly. If you have any questions or need guidance, I am here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.